my dear friends, welcome back. Today I have a short moral story of our mind. This story will teach you that how fool is our mind, how difficult it is to control our mind. There was one person who decided to get enlightened. So he visited one guru and asked that guru, give me some kind of mantra which will bring me enlightenment. Then that guru said, okay, take this mantra, chant it for 90 days and on the 90th day you will be enlightened. Then that person said, okay, just for 90 days and one mantra, yes, I am going to get enlightened on 90th day. He became very, very happy. Then that guru said, just remember one thing. Don't let monkeys come in your mind while doing this meditation or while chanting this mantra. Don't let monkey come in your mind. Then that person said, okay, this is the only one condition I have to do. It's very easy, I'm going to do it. Then that person went away. From the very next day, he decided to chant that mantra for 90 days. On the very first day, he sat somewhere in a corner of his home and he started doing that meditation practice, that mantra practice. On the very first second, one monkey came in his mind. Then he started telling his mind that, okay, I am not allowing that monkey to disturb my meditation, my mantra chanting. He kept telling his mind, okay, I am not allowing that monkey, okay, I am not allowing that monkey. But still the monkey started coming in. Then he got little disturbed. He thought that it's the very first day, that is the reason it's not going good. From the next day I will do it. Then the next day he again sat, he started chanting that mantra, he started doing his meditation. Again, this time two monkeys came in. Then again he started telling his mind, okay, I am not allowing monkeys to come in my mind, in my thought and disturb my meditation. He keep telling his mind, I am not allowing them, I am not allowing, but still the monkeys are coming in. Every time he do it, the most monkeys started coming in his mind. This happened for the 3rd day, 5th day, 10th day, and it was going on till the 90th day. On the 90th day, there were millions of monkeys. Even when he used to sleep, the monkeys started coming in his dreams. So he decided to visit that guru. He went there, he told that guru, Guru, I don't want enlightenment, just take away those monkeys from my thought. Friends, this is the story of our mind. What we resist, it always persists. This is the moral of our story. The thing which we resist always persists. If we start telling our mind that I am not going to allow this thought in my mind, the same thought will come in our mind. If you start telling your mind, okay, negative thinking I am not allowing this time, then same time negative thoughts started coming in your mind. So friends, what you resist will persist. So don't resist. Whatever thoughts coming in, just be with it and let it go. Don't have a friction with it. Don't give a resistance with it. And one time that thought will vanish by itself. You don't need to do anything for that. Just be with it. No need to resist it. No need to do friction with it. Just be with it. That is as simple as it. Just be with it. Thank you, my dear friends. I hope this story will help you to control your own mind also. Simply one thing, what resists, it persists. So don't resist. And I will see you in my next video.